Hello everyone. In this video, we'll show you how to repair your Phonak hearing aids to your iPhone if one of them becomes disconnected. Some might consider this process a bit tedious or annoying, but don't worry, we're here to help, and if you need to, feel free to pause the video. As you see here, we've duplicated the problem, and the right hearing aid is not connected. Let's get that fixed. We'll start off by returning to the home screen. Open Settings. Open Bluetooth to view device options. Here we show 3 devices connected, one for each hearing aid and one for the application. Select the information icon for the first device. Select Forget this device. Select the information icon for the second device. Select Forget this device. Select the information icon for the third device. Select Forget this device. Please return to the home screen. Place your hearing aids in the charging dock. Now open the My Phonak app. Find your hearing aids and select it. Here, we're going to tap Forget My Devices. Select Confirm. Now that your devices have been forgotten, return to the home screen. Open Settings and go to Bluetooth. Please remove your hearing aids from the charging dock. Please wait while your phone searches for the devices. Once your devices have been found, select it. Return to the home screen when your devices are connected. Place your hearing aids back into the charging dock. Now open the My Phonak app. Remove your hearing aids from the charging dock. Select Pair Device. Select Let's Get Started. Select Continue. Please wait for both devices to be found. Select the device. Select Pair to connect your left hearing aid. Select Pair to connect your right hearing aid. A few more verifying questions and you're good to go. We hope that wasn't too painful for you. If you found this video helpful, we'd appreciate if you leave a like, a comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.